Now let's get into these strawberry cheesecake buns that I have made real quick for fight night, okay? Because wasn't nobody cutting on no oven to bake no cheesecake. So I just beat them graham crackers down real quick. Crack that Philly cream cheese open. Don't use no other kind other than that Philly, okay? Don't play. The rest of these ingredients that you'll see up here, I'm going to post them at the end. And you just screenshot it and go for what you know. Because y'all act up when y'all don't see the ingredients and when y'all don't see exactly what somebody put. But you know, you can just put whatever you want. You know, like however much sugar you want, put that much. However much vanilla you want, put that much. Okay? Do you see where this is going? Or do we gotta go over this again? When you go to pour your lemon juice, pour however much you want on it, okay? Because that's what it's all about. It's all about you, okay? I'm just going to put a dollop of sour cream on there. But you put however much you want, okay? You make it taste however you want it to taste. If it's not sweet enough, add more sugar. If you want it to taste more like vanilla, add more vanilla. Now, when you from the block and you ain't got no cake piping tool, okay, you get that bag and you cut the tip off of that bag and boom, a cake piping tool, okay? Squeeze that cream cheese inside of them strawberries and then sprinkle a little bit of them graham crackers on there.